When I was 11 years old, a psychologist told my parents that I may not even finish preschool. But my parents refused to believe them. My parents chose to believe in me. So they looked for doctors, therapists, tutors, and schools who would believe me like they did. They found the Down Syndrome Association of the Philippines, who gave them advice and moral support. My family made me understand my condition and made me know that I can still be great for as long as I did my best. My daddy always tells me that I am the best Down syndrome kid in the world. That always inspires me to do my best, to be the best. Because of all these people who believe in me, I am very happy to tell you that I have my own special achievements. I am now in first year high school in a small but regular school. I work as an office assistant in the grade school. I graduated from and I have a salary. Last February, the Sabi made me one of the MCs of the Happy World program. The Special Olympics, Global Youth and the Olympics Philippine director saw me there and invited us to apply as Special Olympics Global Youth Ambassador. Last Wednesday, August 1, my parents got the news that I was chosen. I will be attending the Global Youth Activation Summit. During the Special Olympics 2013 World Winter Games in South Korea. I am so excited because I am going there alone. My family can come, but they cannot stay with me in my hotel room or be with me during the summit activities. I am scared, but I can do it. Yes, I have Down syndrome, but it is not a problem. I think my life is amazing, and it can be the same with other kids with Down syndrome. During the summit, I love my life. I love my life and I love my future. To our dear parents here, thank you for believing in us that We can be great. You are awesome. For as long as we believe in ourselves, anything is possible. Thank you, everybody. This is my last speech.
Thank you. Sabi nga ni Brina, for as long as we believe in ourselves, anything is possible. So tatlo lang yun, tatlo lang. Siguro, if we summarize her speech. One, we parents, let us believe in our children. Totoo yun, masakit noon. Nung sinabihan kami ng doctor, don't expect anything from your child. But no one feels that. Believe in your children. Just believe in your children. Of course, we believe in the Lord, we believe in God, but one thing is sure, believe in your children. And nothing will go wrong. Second, make them believe themselves. Kasi kahit tayo, ay believe tayo sa mga bata natin, pero pag sila hindi natin pinaparamdam sa kanila, hindi natin pinapakita sa kanila, na sila mismo ay dapat naniniwala na kaya nila, wala rin mangyari. We believe in our children and let them feel that we know, make them feel that we know, that we believe that they can do it and that they must believe in themselves. And third, sabi nga niya, once they believe in themselves, anything is possible. Marami na kaming nadaanan. Mga kaibigan namin, alam nila yung kwento din ng buhay ko. That I have the challenges that I myself face. Pero wala to sa challenges ni Brina. Kaya magpapasalamat tayo sa DSAPI na nandito sila to give us the moral support. At yung mga kasamahan natin sa organisasyon na tumutulong sa atin. And again, for the last time, and ultimately, wala nang ibang magpapasalamatan natin, Panginoon, because He has the best plans for all of us. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
And I want to say that this is my favorite time of my life. But I want to say, let there be peace on earth. But I want to say is that this world do this. We never do better without it. We have to believe in ourselves. That's it. And but we all have faith in God. Because we love Jesus Christ a lot. I want to my life become perfect, not normal. Sometimes I have problems and mistakes, but I will say firstly to my parents. I want to believe in myself to do great things as my own chance. I want my own chance to have the opportunity to have a great life with my own father and son.
Yay! Ito yung step for